Hi, this is Ben with Burroak Hillbillys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart and reassemble the Benelli Nova. This is a great waterfowl gun. Will handle about anything you want, and I've shot ducks and geese with it many a times. Now take this thing apart. It's real simple. It's one of the simplest firearms I know of to take apart. All you do is unscrew this end cap. Barrel comes right off. And then next, you have these pins here in the side. Now to take these apart, all you do is you take your end cap, you just push on it. It's got a nice little indent on it. Push them through, and then your pins show. You just grab them, you take them out. Once you get those out, it's pretty simple from there. Just grab your action comes right out, one piece. Now, down here for this, there's two metal rods. You just pull them out a little bit, and you grab the action and press back on it. It slides back in here. And then your forearm just slides right off. Just reach down here, grab this, pull it out. Put it back together. Pretty simple, same thing, just backwards. Put that back in, slide it all the way to the back. Grab your forearm, put your forearm back on, and down in here there's two little notches on both sides. All you do is you line your rods up, put them back in, and go in. Slide it all the way forward. You just take your action, pull up on those rods, slide it till they line up in the notches. Take your action, put it back in. There shouldn't be much force involved. And then comes the pins. Put the pins back in. Simple. Small hole in the front, big hole in the back. Just line them up. Give them a good push. You have to give them a little tap. Take your barrel. Gun cap back on. And your gun works. Pretty simple.